Okay.
It's kind of running low.
Get the bubbles.
It doesn't taste very good, does it, Willow?
Pretty sure they make flavored bubbles for dogs.
What's she doing, Emma? She's so easy. Ready? No? She says, where'd it go? You're funny,
They don't last
Willow.
very long.
You're funny, Willow.
Well, they've been in our
This is
garage.
from a wedding a long time ago.
Yeah.
Long ago.
Oh!
She almost fell through her back.
Crazy dog. Has anybody given you a treat today?
Before we left. I think Dad gave him a Scooby snack.
How long you guys gone?
Oh, wow. Hello.
I gave her a
few
Scooby
hours.
snack before we left.